Cosmetic Nigeria. You know, I just want to make it short to you. We global, all right. However, we deal with skincare as well. All our product you see. Look at the face. Well, some face you've been seeing before, not new. So I tell you, if today is your first time you come to the channel, a very big welcome to you. Some say, oh, his accent look like American accent. Some say, hey, how come you speak American accent? Is that London? You're a London boy? England? Or where you? They just say things they don't know. You from England? Or like, I see your face like you're from the Chinese. No, it's not Chinese. It's not England boy. It's not American boy. I've been Nigeria. He might be that we've crossed a lot of countries and all that, but never mind. That's not what he here for, right? So, in a quick word, I want to tell you, like we have a lot of product I'll be showing you, but don't get yourself killed because of fake products. And fake product, no, they're very cheap, and yeah, you get your face just yell at me, oh, blah blah blah. Why your item? So it's my item. If they pretty expensive, if you don't want to buy, you can go elsewhere and buy, right? So don't tell me, don't yell at me that, oh, your items are very expensive. I'm sorry about that my items are very expensive, but I'm just selling the real stuff for you. If it's not real, I wouldn't make it expensive because I had to source for it, for the original one. A lot of people be selling fake product. So don't be their victim, all right? That's why I show you this one too also. I've talked about a lot of perfect skin product. This one is a perfect skin repair and whitenizer, all right? Look at it, it's original. So if you can lay your hands on free skin milk or skin free milk or skin whitenizer, you can use this one. This one is original. Also, this one contains glutathione also. Look at it properly. Look at it. Okay, it's something you always see regularly. Okay, but I have to seek for the original one. This one also contains argan oil plus niacinamide, which is a B3, vitamin B3, and also like we have sepia white and sunscreen. So make sure you go for this. They didn't pay me. It's what people have used, and they're giving me their feedback. That's what I'm used to tell you. Okay, so go for it. Go for it. Don't forget that we've come to this end of this review, and if you want to get all of this item, you can place your order right now via the number on your screen. We ship everywhere worldwide: Europe, Canada, UK, USA, and also Asia country, even Africa countries around us. We ship everywhere. All right, so don't be offended if you say, oh, you want to go for fake ones, you can go for fake one. But if you want to go for original, always call out us. Okay, this is what we know best in doing. And then again, I want to tell you, we started selling hairs and talk about Brazilian hair, human hairs, talk about good fiber hairs, not sponge, all right, and African tires that we started selling it in all of our platform. You can also go check us the global materials, all right? Go check us there. You go see them. Us the global airs. You go see them, right? That's what we know best in doing. All right, stay put.